than a century of history cannot be all that defines us, as new opportunities await. It's time for something unexpected, something audacious. In a small workshop, it started as a dream. In the hands of a small team, it became a mission. This isn't progression, it's reinvention to levels unseen. Le Mans winning heritage and an unapologetic American spirit. Aiming for the Nürburgring 73 curves in less than 7 minutes. A road-ready sports car to beat them all. We are making history all over again. Supercar power and Mustang soul. This is the Mustang GTD. A legacy yet to be written.